Hi guys! Today we want to show you our nice rig, the Hiace 4-wheel drive from 1999. It's the second model. It's a really reliable engine and stuff. Bang, so we are talking about 340,000 around. We also do have like a mongoose alarm system in it. So if you don't have this thing here, you can't start the car. It's a good upgrade. Here, it's a 4-cylinder diesel engine, sadly with no turbo, but doesn't matter, it's a fucking reliable engine. They also put it in the Hilux, so the pickups and the Outback is working with the same engine. And yep, it's close to 3 liter of cube capacity. It's the 5L engine. This vehicle came into the land around 2006, but yeah, it gets built 1999, so it's around 25 years old. And yep, behind this flap here is the battery, but I don't want to open it because our gas bottle is sitting on there. And I will show you the back of the seats, what we got there now. Here in the back we do have our little gas bottle and tramping gear, also a CO2 gas detector and fire extinguisher. Never use it, knock on wood that it stays like that. And we also have some gear for camping, fishing, travel guides, play cards, all the stuff you need for having fun.
A curtain, of course, for some privacy and darkness. Next to the door, there's our spot for shoes and also our first aid kit.
The gas bottle comes through this panel here and is connected to our camping cooker, which we have to pull out if we want to cook outside. Or you place it up here when it's raining or you don't feel outside because you want to be alone, whatever. Then it's also possible to cook inside. It's nice. Definitely recommend this stuff. Yeah, and the upper drawer is what we need for cooking and cutting, plates, forks, knives. Definitely the most important thing, the diesel heater. Because no one wants to freeze at night or have a bad day because of coldness. We have a deep cycle battery here, 100 amps, and some USB sockets, which are here and over here. So 4 plugs for 2 persons, definitely fully enough. Up there's a little storage, like a net for fresh veggies and fruits and stuff. We mostly keep it separated. And yeah, we do have a little sink over here, which has an electric pump. And underneath for sure is the freshwater and grey water setup. Freshwater, grey water is in the back. It's a bit tricky to pull it out, but it works. And it also get used for storing stuff which you are daily using. And next to we have our toilet. Take this flap off and you can reach it. It's a cassette one, so 2 drawers, separated system from the drain to the storage room, so no smell. It's also ready to go for the green sticker. We will work on it, but we don't found the time at the moment. That's why we have still the blue.
So we are using a LED stripe, which is working through the USB slots.
There it is. And then you can switch via the remote control, the color or the mood, if you want to have party light and boom boom boom, or slow motion, really deep wave, whatever. Everything is doable. And we add some LED spots. They are working via battery. I think we changed them since we have them twice, so it's kind of worth it or reliable. We do have an AC in the back. So when you pick up a hitchhiker or someone and it's fucking damn hot in the back, you can let him feel the freezing cold energy which you put on there, and then he can say, oh yeah, I want to get crazy, yeah, it's cold. Over here we have a lot of storage underneath. I would guess this storage is around 200 liter. And all this storage up here, where you also could put your laptop and stuff, or TV, what else. It's like from Becky, and it's my shelf. Underneath storage, and up here in the back we have some outdoor gear like a saw, hammock, hatchet, sporty stuff like rings. Here's my little bathroom.
This is mine.
You ask probably about the insulation and stuff, because you see all these windows when it is a van or a minibus. But the previous owner did a proper job. He put some insulation in the roof and on the bottom. The insulation on that side get managed by our closest.
Yeah.
But we have a nice tip for all of you travelers.
Yeah.
Get some of these silver screen stuff for the windshield. Put it or stick it to the window behind this yellow curtain. We did it already because this is a permanent thing for the winter. Here in the back we do it every day. Back you're sitting on, you can see it's like a couch functional bed. We can flip these things and then you have like a straight bed which we can connect here up. What we also put on is the all-terrain maxi tires. I know in New Zealand there's a big difference about AT or all-terrain tires, but I chose the best ones I could afford. And on top we put this little bad boy, the LED bar. I think it's around 180 watts or watt, not quite sure how to say. And we have a big storage, the roof box in the back. I put some more roof racks. Like that you definitely can put a surfboard, or we had a bicycle on, we took it off for the moment. And yeah, that's it. Alrighty fellas, that's also the end of our video. We really like this van. It's fucking reliable. Every time we turn a junction, she's there with the tires, with the LED bar. You have a lot of storage on top, inside, the roof rack. I'm already a bit sad to leave it, but it's part of the game. Life is changing, so check out our channel if you want to keep going with us. You will see the vehicle more than once in action, I can promise you. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day and thanks for watching.